Kylie Jenner turned lip kits into a billion-dollar beauty empire. Then, she launched Kylie Skin. And the very first product, a walnut face scrub, got dragged across the internet as something that could quietly wreck your skin. So is Kylie Skin actually good, or is it damaging your face? Let me give you the honest, calm answer. Kylie Skin launched in 2019 with a whole routine. A foaming cleanser, a toner, a vitamin C serum, a moisturizer, and that now infamous walnut face scrub. The whole line sells one promise: the soft, glowing, filtered skin Kylie shows off online. The scrub is the one everyone argued about. It is a physical exfoliant, and its main scrubbing ingredient is powdered walnut shells. The moment people saw that, the internet compared it to the old scent, Ives apricot scrub, which had already been accused of being too harsh. So what is a physical exfoliant actually doing? It uses tiny, gritty particles to manually buff dead skin cells off the surface. Done gently, that really can leave skin smoother and brighter for a few days. But here is the fear that started the pile-on. Critics said walnut shell powder has jagged edges that create microscopic tears in the skin, causing irritation and a weaker barrier over time. That is the whole controversy in one sentence. So is that true? Here is the honest part that got lost in the noise. The dermatologists are actually split on this, and the answer is not as dramatic as the headlines made it sound. One New York dermatologist, Joshua Zeichner, said there is no definitive data proving walnut powder is truly harsher than other manual scrubs. It depends heavily on how finely the grains are milled, which changes everything. Another dermatologist pointed out the scrub is not just walnut shells. It also has glycerin and squalane, which are genuinely moisturizing, plus gentle jojoba and fruit oils. So it is buffered, not pure grit. And some people, like those with eczema or rosacea, actually tolerate a mild physical scrub better than strong chemical acids. So a walnut scrub is not automatically bad for everyone. The real risk is not the walnut, it is overdoing it. Scrubbing hard or too often with any physical exfoliant can strip and inflame your skin barrier. That is just as true for a $12 scrub as a celebrity one. So does Kylie Skin work? For most normal skin, used gently once or twice a week, the scrub is fine, and the rest of the line is a perfectly decent routine. The glow is real. It is just coming from clean, hydrated, lightly exfoliated skin, not from magic. And here is the catch, the same one behind every celebrity brand. Nothing in Kylie Skin is unique to Kylie. Vitamin C, glycerin, squalane, hyaluronic acid, they all sit in drugstore products at a fraction of the price. What the empire is really selling is Kylie's face and her aesthetic. That is genuinely brilliant marketing, and she earned it. But it is branding, not a secret formula that science cannot explain. And the freeing part is always the same. Glowing skin is just a healthy barrier catching the light. Gentle cleansing, not overwashing, a simple moisturizer, and easing off harsh scrubbing protect that barrier far more than any one product. And if you take one thing from this, it is the boring truth again. Daily sunscreen does more for your skin than any scrub, serum, or celebrity routine combined. Up to 80% of visible skin aging comes from the sun. So the honest verdict on Kylie Skin: it is a decent, well-made line, and the walnut scrub is not the skin destroyer the internet claimed, as long as you are gentle with it. But your glow is maybe 20% the products and 80% your barrier, your habits, and your sunscreen. None of this is medical advice, and if your skin is reactive, patch test first and see a dermatologist. But you do not need a billion-dollar celebrity brand to glow. You need gentle, consistent, boring basics. And that part is basically free. Follow second opinion.